Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We are on a night investigation. We are checking out an abandoned premises. Where I am, I don't know. I'm here with some other people. We are doing our own thing. Some are investigating for other reasons. I am investigating the locks. This is an internal door. Look at the lock on that. Now that is interesting. We're in a bedroom here. It's got wardrobes all around and such. It's even got a bed in it. And they've got this sort of lock on this door. That's the handle. Still functions just as good as the day they installed it. So this lock has gone missing. So that is the strike for this lock. Isn't it gorgeous? Let's check out the side door lock. It's another one of these. Not as ornate as the internal door. So you will hear other people's voices and such. As I say, I'm not here alone. Don't do a night investigation on your own. It's a beautiful fireplace. Little cupboards.
I heard you the first. Oh, that's all dogs. Oh, yes.
This is another bedroom. Oh my, it's got a bit of stuff in here, haven't they? It's another one of these ornate door locks. Yes. Looks like they've got them on all the internal doors. If anyone recognises what brand this is, if they can let me know what sort of a lock this is, that'd be really cool. The strike for this is gone. And this room is full of beds and furniture and all sorts of stuff. Right, let's kick on. See what other locks we can find.
Oh.
I am on this investigation with other people. Here's another internal door. Not as ornate as the bedroom doors. Big hole in the floor, what's that? It's not foolproof tonight. There's a catch on that. Okay, this looks like an out area. Looks like they were doing it up and then decided to give it up for some reason. Oh, this room looks interesting. Bit of a hole in the floor there. Oh wow, it's got one of them little tellies in it.
Well, he's taking the knobs off, but
Yeah, someone took the knobs.
yeah, it was Werner.
All the knobs
I
came off.
didn't realise it. Yeah, it wasn't
The
Werner.
knobs came off,
That
and
knob
that's
puller.
why they've left it in the house. There was a bit of crud on the floor there. Well, someone's had a plug in or something. Now this lock here, this is to another room. This looks
Not as good as my flavour as today.
older, much older than the other ones. Have a look at this one. Wow, let's look at the size of that. This, my hands with the scale. Thanks for the light. Smooth as the day it was installed. But yeah, that lock is a bit of termite damage there. That might explain why they decided to give up renovating when they realised that someone had already moved in. Okay. Is there an upstairs?
Yep. Pick the chain. You look up there, right? You
Yep.
can sit up there. And
Yep.
then when you go, you
You
can't
can
get there.
see the windows in there outside,
Oh yeah.
like, yeah, tucked in. But there's
Okay.
a staircase in nowhere as well.
Oh, look, front door come open, the closed. Up there.
Here's another little outhouse.
Yeah.
Oh, with stairs up that go
Not until I close it. So where?
nowhere.
Well.
That just goes nowhere.
I don't think we can renovate. Yeah.
It may have at one stage, but anyway, let's see what sort of locks on the door. That's the keyhole. Huh. There's no lock. It's just the strike. Looks like the lock's already been removed. Okay, let's continue on. Is there any other rooms? Or have we seen everything?
Hey,
Is there any other rooms in here? Have we seen everything?
we've seen everything.
I might do the front door locks.
We could walk around and go around that way and see all this shit over.
Otherwise, just throw them something like snap. Another story, old Venetian blinds, remember those? So this is the door handle. Let's see if I can get you on camera. Have to do it like this. And let's see the front door lock. Oh, it's the old night latch. Is it a lockwood? Yeah, it's a lockwood. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else in here we can have a look at. Oh, there's an old telly. Yeah, they were trying to renovate. I reckon they started renovating. It's an old wardrobe catch. I reckon they started trying to renovate and then they realised all the architraves and everything was starting to be eaten out by
What was this room?
the old termites.
Did you
It's the
is there a fire?
old bar doors back in here. And let's just check out the back door. What sort of a lock was on there?
How many people lived in this house?
This looks like
Why is this room? Why is this
a lock with
room?
deadlock.
The stairwell. It doesn't
Stair
go to
open.
anywhere.
Yep, it's unlocked, but it's stuck. Everything would have been swollen, and let's look at the door. Needs a little bit of work. Let's have a look at the
Window
doors.
or something.
Did you watch TV in this room?
It's my lunch. It's a massive fireplace. Awesome. So yeah, there you have it.
What is your name?
Some locks on an abandoned house. Couldn't tell you the era of it. From the locks, we'll be able to work it out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us on our nighttime investigation, hunting for locks. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.